Circuits. When a service is switched on, a circuit is made called a closed circuit. When the service is switched off, electrical power from the source is disconnected, and the circuit is called an open circuit. If the circuit becomes closed because the circuit has bypassed the distribution stage or switch, it becomes a short circuit. What is an open circuit? Well, there's been a loss of continuity in the circuit, and this will prevent the working components of the circuit from functioning. Components. A static inverter is a transistorized unit used to convert DC into AC. A relay is a magnetically operated switch. Relays are used where it is necessary to control a circuit by a low-power signal, with complete electrical isolation between control and controlled circuits, or where several circuits must be controlled by one signal. The first relays were used in long-distance telegraph circuits, repeating the signal coming in from one circuit and retransmitting it to another. Relays were used extensively in telephone exchanges and early computers to perform logical operations. Busbars. A busbar is a distribution point for electrical power. The so-called hot buses or direct buses are directly connected to the battery. Single-pole circuits are when an aircraft electrical circuit uses the aircraft structure as a return path to Earth. One set of wires goes to the aircraft services, lights, radios, etc. And instead of another set of wires coming back to the battery, a short wire from the service is connected to the aircraft structure. The negative pole of the battery is also connected to the aircraft structure, so the circuit is complete. The advantages of grounding the negative pole of the aircraft structure are: it's weight saving, there's only one set of wires to the services; easy fault detection, there's only one set of wires to check; and a reduction of short circuit risk. Although one side of the circuit is the aircraft, which means if a bare wire touched the aircraft, a short circuit would occur, two sets of wires are not running in the same cable, which may be considered to reduce the risk of a short circuit. The difference between fuses and circuit breakers. A fuse is not resettable and needs to be replaced. A circuit breaker may be reset manually after the fault has been rectified. A current limiter fuse allows a short-term overload before rupturing. Circuit breakers. A thermal circuit breaker protects the system in the event of overheating without exceeding the maximum permissible current. Magnetic circuit breaker is a protection system that has a quick tripping response. The rating of electrical fuses is expressed in amperes. Circuit breakers and fuses protecting circuits may be used in AC and DC circuits. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current in an electrical circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference and inversely proportional to the resistance, such that U equals IR, where U is potential difference, I is current, R is resistance. Electrical resistance is measured in ohms. Potential difference is the difference in potential between 2 points in a circuit and may be thought of as an electrical pressure. Potential difference is measured in volts, such that 1 volt of potential difference exists between 2 points in a circuit when 1 joule of work is done by 1 coulomb of charge in moving from one point to the other. A joule is a measure of the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by approximately 1/4 of a degree Celsius.